Welcome. This video gives you a quick overview of the new e-commerce cart feature from Easyship called Insurance at Checkout. Insurance at Checkout is a free cart plugin that lets your shoppers add third-party shipping insurance to their order. Shipping insurance is a powerful way to boost your store's conversion rates. Just like trust badges and testimonials, shipping insurance helps sellers clinch more sales. To install Insurance at Checkout, visit your Easyship dashboard. Click the Connect button on the left side menu. On the next page, click the green Activate button. As you can see, Easyship handles most of the integration for you. All that's left is to add a single snippet of code to your store. Just follow the instructions provided to add the snippet to your store template, and presto! Insurance at Checkout is live. Refresh the page and you'll see Insurance at Checkout is active in your store. Now, when customers arrive to their cart, they see the option to add insurance. Insurance coverage is calculated automatically based on the item value, so customers get full coverage and full visibility for zero surprises. When buyers know they're fully covered from loss, damage, or theft, they're much more likely to complete a purchase. In fact, 70% of shoppers opt for shipping insurance when available. Insured orders are listed as such in the Orders section of your store, including all necessary details. Customers who add insurance receive all insurance details with their tracking information after purchase. The automated email includes the insurance link for filing a claim in the case of any issues. Here we see the insurance information for an insured order in the shipment details area, including the total coverage amount. Say a shipment arrives damaged. To file a claim, the customer clicks the File Claim button in their tracking email and is redirected to the claims portal. After entering their claim info, the buyer confirms whether the shipment issue was a missing, damaged, or never delivered package, then uploads a photo for confirmation. Once filed, the claim is submitted to Easyship's reliable third-party insurance provider, Easyship, who then notifies you and the customer via email of all updates for the claim. If Easyship requires any further information, they will contact the buyer directly. Insurance claims are usually processed within 5 to 7 days, helping to safeguard your customer loyalty despite any mishaps. This has been an overview of Insurance at Checkout, the new sales-boosting cart plugin for e-commerce merchants. Use Insurance at Checkout to transform more of your first-time shoppers into loyal customers.